Your apps are not limited to using the predefined layouts and controls that Android provides. It's very easy to define a custom dialog layout, which we'll see how to do in this example. In Android Studio, open up the Resources folder, and inside the Layout folder, open up the Custom Dialog Layout file. This is just a standard linear layout that contains two text fields for the user to enter their first and last name. Now let's open the Custom Dialog Fragment Java code. And you can see that this code uses the Alert Dialogs Builder class to create the dialog as usual. To create the custom layout, our code will use the Layout Inflator utility class to create an instance of the layout resource. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll save. Now, the rest of the code uses the builder to set the dialog title and create a couple of buttons. This is stuff that we've seen before. What I'm going to do is call the setView method to set the layout of the dialog to the custom layout that we just inflated. So to do that, I'm going to write .setView, and I'll pass in that v, which is the view object we just created. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So let's save and let's run this in the emulator. And over here in the emulator, I'll start up the dialog activity, and I'm going to click on Show Custom Layout. And you can see that the dialog has the layout that we created in the example. So here are the two buttons that were added, and this is the content area right here, which contains our custom layout, and up here is the title area. And just as we saw earlier, you could use an interface to return this information back to the calling activity. Now, I'm not going to do that here. If you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and take that on as an exercise.